Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your DELL Latitude 5420. To factory reset it, you should simply, this video is for those that can log into their laptop. If you can't log into your laptop, then your only way is to watch another video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB. But in this case, if you have access to your account, it's gonna be much easier to just do it through this method. So you should go to Start, then Settings, then Windows Update. Now, scroll down to Advanced Options and find Recovery. Then find Reset this PC and click on Reset PC. Now, you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything, and I'm gonna remove everything because keeping files doesn't really do anything besides uninstalling the apps and changing the settings to default, and I just want to factory reset the computer. Now you can choose cloud download or local reinstall. Local reinstall will be faster, but if something's corrupted on your system, then it's better to do a cloud download because it'll download a new, a fresh install of Windows with all the files in place. Now also there's something important in change settings, which is clean data. If you select that, it may take hours to factory reset your computer, but will make it harder to recover files later. So if you're selling your laptop, I'd suggest selecting the clean data. But I don't really have time and I'm not planning on selling this laptop, so I'm gonna leave it as it is and click on next. Now it says that I need to plug in my PC, and you just need to have your PC plugged in all the time. Don't unplug the charger during the whole process because it may harm your system. So I'm gonna plug it in. Now all you need to do is click on reset. And now it'll start preparing, then it'll restart several times. And it's finished. This is the screen that you should see if the factory reset is finished, and this is the setup screen. If you want to learn how to set the thing up, there's also a video on it on our channel, by the way. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.